Page 30. Art of Manipulation, by R B Sparkman, 1978. Chapter 3. Tactic 2, How to Make a Slave Out of a Person. 3.3. Human Nature's Most Powerful Quirk. Recall the surprisingly potent way intermittent reinforcement spurred the pigeon? When it got only sporadic reinforcement for pecking the bar, the pigeon never knew whether it could have the pellets of food or not. So the bird pecked the bar like crazy, which showed that intermittent reinforcement most powerfully goaded the pigeon's pecking. Isn't the similarity close between the sporadic pattern that set fire under the pigeon and the tactics Bill used to control his girl? Bill used intermittent reinforcement like a master. He did it by treating this girl like a queen, his 5-minute kiss being one example. Then at other times, he hit her and gave her no reinforcement. So she never knew whether she could have Bill or not. This pattern of sporadic reinforcement kept her acting like the pigeon. She was figuratively pecking madly at the bar, desperate for any reinforcement that Bill might give her. My date never knew exactly where she stood with Bill. Since she didn't know whether she could have this man or not, taking him for granted proved utterly impossible. This led her to want desperately what she felt she could not have. And exploiting this natural desire on her part gave Bill his puppet-like control over her. In this human quirk lies a shoving, bone-deep urge of human nature. People want what they cannot have. Page 31.